Hey all, it's Damira here. Welcome back to my channel. If you've joined me before, thanks so much for coming back. If you're new here, I hope that this is for you. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you a Christmas coffee bar. Before we get started, I encourage you to subscribe to the Millennial Farmhouse. I like to share cleaning videos, coffee bars, and seasonal decorating. In today's video, I'll be decorating my coffee bar for Christmas. I decorated it last year, but I did not have this exact coffee bar set up. This cart was a gift that I received after Christmas. So I'm very excited to decorate it this year, and I'll be using pretty much everything that I did use last year, except for a few items that I received throughout the year. I'm not going to do too much talking. I'm just going to get right into decorating, and I hope you enjoy this video. I found it fairly easy to decorate my coffee bar this year because it really helps to have a dedicated coffee cart for my space. I finally figured out how to utilize this coffee cart as best I can. Again, most of what I am decorating with were items that I did use on my coffee bar last year. The exception includes my coffee syrup bottles, which I got from Amazon earlier in the year, and a beautiful, colorful Starbucks mug, which was a Christmas gift from the year prior. I will try to link as much as I can down below, and if I can't, hopefully I'll find something similar that I can link. I'm very pleased with how this coffee bar turned out. Again, I just found it fairly easy to decorate this time. I was so excited to do it, absolutely overjoyed to decorate this specific coffee cart for Christmas, and I hope you've liked how I've decorated it. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider sharing it with someone who could use some Christmas coffee bar inspiration, and I hope you'll consider subscribing to the Millennial Farmhouse. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.